Kimberly Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and tonight I'm going to show you a super tasty recipe for how to roast perfect taste hot mango and ginger chicken. Now, I'm using this fantastic sauce. It's a chutney from Perfect Taste. If you've not seen my review on this, make sure you check it out. This is their Perfect Taste hot mango and ginger chutney. And boy, is it tasty. It's really spicy, but it has a lot of mango flavor, has a beautiful ginger flavor, and it's just a little bit hot, nice on your tongue, okay? Now, you don't have to just use chutney as a chutney or a condiment. It can be used as a basting sauce, as a marinade, as a glaze, okay? So that's how we're rolling today. I have two chicken quarters that I'm going to cut into thighs and drummies, and I'll show you how to do that. You're gonna take your quarter, and you're gonna see one way, you're gonna see that you have a V, and you're gonna cut right between that V, down, as far as you can go, and you're gonna hit a bone, and then you're going to pop that bone, and you're gonna finish cutting through the meat, and that's gonna give you a thigh and a drummie. You're gonna repeat that. So I'll show you again. Here's the V. You're gonna cut down through there, so you can't cut anymore. Pop that joint open, and then finish cutting through. Now you could marinate this beforehand. I could have let this stuff go all day, but I don't have time for that now. And so I'm going to toss it in this beautiful sauce that I'm going to make, and then I'm going to use it to baste it as it's cooking in the oven. I've preheated my oven to 350 degrees, and let me just get this glaze started. So I have some fresh parsley from my garden, and I'm just going to mince that up. If you had cilantro, fresh cilantro, you can use that too. It'd be very nice in this, but I'm all out. I like to see little flecks of green on my meat, especially my chicken. It's just me. Okay, into my bowl. If you want to use more, you can use more. Next, I'm going to freshly crack some pepper. Bear in mind, that's nice and spicy, so you don't need a lot. Now, I'm going to use a couple heaping teaspoons of this at least. Let's say 2.5. It has nice big chunks of mango and chunks of ginger. It's beautiful. So good. Oh, so flavorful. I can't wait. Now I was going to use a little bit of their Perfect Taste hot sauce, but it doesn't need it. And I'm going to loosen it up with a little bit of grapeseed oil. You can use canola oil, you can use olive oil if you want, maybe about 1.5 tablespoons. And I'm just going to whisk this together. Now I want it to coat my chicken well. There's not going to be a whole lot of basting liquid left, I don't think. You could always make a little bit more if you wanted to. But if I reckon it's going to work the way I think it is, then we're going to be good to go. This is a nice thick coating, and then we're just going to beef it up as it cooks, and lovely. It's really coating it nicely, as you hopefully you can see. There you go. Gorgeous. Okay. Now I have sprayed a baking dish. You can grease it if you like, and I'm just going to put this chicken in skin side up with some nice bits of that sauce. Now I have a little bit more left here, and I'm just going to dab some of these nice chunks on top of that chicken. I won't be flipping this chicken, so you're good to go with the chunks on the top. So here's what this chicken looks like. It's ready to go in the oven. So this chicken is going to take between 45 minutes to an hour. I would say I'll probably leave mine in for about an hour. As it is roasting, it's going to render that fat from the skin, and it's going to combine with that marinade. And I'm going to use a basting brush, and I'm going to keep reapplying it to make sure that it stays nice and moist and is nice and flavorful. And then at the end, if I need to or I want to, I can broil it up and get a little bit more crispy skin. So into the oven it goes, 350 degrees, let her rip. I'm going to check it in about 30 minutes. Ooh-wee. It's been 30 minutes, and this chicken smells amazing. When you open up that oven, wow. Now it still has the beautiful chunks on the top, but like I said, now the fat has started to render. You can see the liquid, and I'm going to use that to baste just a little bit. Oh yeah, that looks good. It smells so good. Ooh. Back in the oven for at least another 30 minutes. I'm going to check it probably in another 20. All right, this chicken looks great. It's browning up nicely, and I'm going to put it in for about another 10 or 15 minutes. There it is. Gorgeous, gorgeous. It smells amazing. I'm going to do one last little baste. Make sure you pick up any chunks of the mango and ginger and put it back on if you can. All right, now I'm going to let it go for another 10-15 minutes. This chicken is done. It looks awesome. It smells amazing. Look at that chicken. That's gonna be flavorful. Now let me get my mom's plate organized. So alongside tonight's dinner, I made some roasted veggie rub plantains, awesome, and some basil basmati rice, fantastic. And for dessert, I made coconut plantain sweet potato breadcrumb cookies. These are gonna be awesome too. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna bring that to Mom. All right, well let me try this now. Plate mine, a little bit of chicken, a couple plantains. Looks pretty awesome to me. I'm gonna try this chicken for you though. Make sure you get some of this juice at the bottom of your pan for your rice. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna try a little bit of this chicken. The skin looks great, has those chunks. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells amazing. It's so moist and tender in there. It's falling off the bone, which is what I want. And usually just leaving it another 5-10 minutes, that'll do it for you. That's fantastic. See this chicken just falling off the bone. Look at that. Oh, that chutney did amazing work. Boy, is that flavorful. The sugars in the chutney roasted and caramelized up on the top of that chicken, just like I wanted. And Perfect Taste does a fantastic job with all of their seasonings. That's out of this world. They make sure that all of their spices and their condiments are nice and well balanced. Really, really flavorful and really unique combinations of flavors. Now that's some outstanding chicken. My goodness. Now let's try the rice with the juice from the chicken. That's good. Fantastic dinner all around. It's so good. So that's how you do it. That's how you roast Perfect Taste hot mango and ginger chicken. Out of this world. You have to try it too. I hope that you do. You can check Perfect Taste out online at perfecttaste.ca. All right? Follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim E with a capital E. Like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. My shows are on ifood.tv/cookingwithkimberly, youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly, and you can find me on Roku. Come to my website at cookingwithkimberly.com. Subscribe and interact with us. Let us know what's going down in your culinary world, all right? Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye.